If you have any question regarding today's topic, please raise your hands. Shahzeb Abbas, can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
So, did you understand today's topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how can you change the magnetic flux? How many ways you can change the magnetic flux? Hello?
Sir, by moving a magnet near the sir loop, sir, by changing the magnetic field lines,
ठीक
the
है.
magnetic field is produced.
Any other method? Any other one who want to participate?
Yes, sir. The examples of Faraday's law, in which one loop is connected to the ammeter and another is connected to a when switch is turned on,
Yes.
then the is show deflections, which means current is produced in it.
Yes, you're right. So one of the method is that by moving the magnet near the
Yes, sir. Loop.
loop. Another
Yes,
is
sir.
basic purpose is to change the magnetic flux. The magnetic flux can be changed either by changing the orientation of the loop itself. When you place the, I will show you. When you change the orientation of the magnetic, the current loop, if you change the angle between these two magnetic flux and loop face, then again there will be some change in the magnetic flux. So this is the basic principle we formed in the generator. Rather than by changing the magnetic magnets, we rotate the coils. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Hello, Abdullah. Muhammad Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
roll number 7. So,
Yes,
did
sir.
you remember the working of the electric motor?
Yes, sir. Electric motor works on the principle of magnetic field.
Only magnetic
But,
field.
sir, with the contribution of magnetic and electric field.
So, what
Sir,
did you do basically in the motor?
sir,
You
two magnets are attached.
Yes, you change the magnets or change the coil, rotate the coil.
Sir, we rotate the coil between the magnets,
Yes.
and that's why.
Yes. What happened when you rotate the coil?
Sir, electric field lines change. So magnetic field is change and an electric current is produced, and that electric current
Yes. So this is the
producing a
basic
change.
principle behind the production of the electricity, alternate current in our all electrical electric generator, power stations, especially in dams.
Yes,
So
sir.
in behind all this is Faraday law. So
Yes,
if you have a chance in future, if you, for all participants, for all the engineers, maybe this may not be your uh, field in future because you are going to be a petroleum and gas engineer, and this basically the field of electrical and mechanical engineers. So, but you must visit the, must have the witness the practically at Terbela Dam, sorry, Mangla Dam. Mangla Power Station is most of the time is open for the visitors. Or there is an electric generator also working. Power station working on Rinala Khurd. I hope all of you have listened to Rinala Khurd, or at least the name of the Sir Ganga Ram. There is a famous hospital in Lahore with the name of the Sir Ganga Ram. The Rinala Khurd was the area of the Ganga Ram. So he built there in 1925 an electric power station, which is still working. And very on very simple means machinery there. You can visualize the uh, coil, rotating coil with the canal water. So you must visit it. It is near the Okara district, Okara city, Rinala Khurd. So I hope you will visit and see how all these concepts being into reality by the engineers and scientists. So try to solve the related examples as well. And some numericals, I will send you the list of the numericals related to these topics. So you must solve this one.
पेपर में
If you have any,
सर
sorry, yes.
पेपर में न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म में ही आएंगे सारे क्वेश्चंस या फिर थ्योरी का
नहीं
भी
नहीं
कुछ
सारे
होगा?
नहीं आएंगे numerical form में. There may be some numerical, there may be some theoretical questions as well. So, but you must focus more and more on numericals as well. If you have understanding of the topic, then there must be no problem. But if you have any problem regarding the numericals, you may ask me. I will try to solve them for you. So, but you must have tried. You by discussion with each other on any forum, you must try to solve the numerical so that you can solve the any problem related to this one. So I think it's 9 o'clock. So you must have another class. So thank you very much for your participation. So it will be practice. Hopefully next again in practice. You have to rejoin 2 times meeting.